how to make 2D animation from hand drawing art. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video, I will tell you how you guys can do that. So for that, click on Chrome. Now open new tab. Search file, animation through drawing. Now click on that fast track art and eventually drawings meta. Here click on try it now. We will accept it. Now we will click on upload photo. Here select your drawing. Now click on next. Here we will simply click on next 3 times, so let's do that. This is last time, so here you guys can see your animation was ready. Also you guys can see aired animation, so you guys can select any animation. For example, I am selecting that animation. Now let's see how it's turned out, so we wait out some seconds. Here we go, our character was jumping. You guys can add any type of animation. Thanks for watching.